The P-Gear No-Zip Jogger Pet Stroller is a game changer for pet owners on the move, allowing you to quickly get your pooch from here to there, especially if your dog dawdles. Imagine taking both your eager trotter and your grumpy companion to the beach with ease, just like my friend in Cape Cod does. This innovative stroller features easy locking, no-zip entries, and dual access points, making loading and unloading a breeze for pets of all temperaments. There are many dog strollers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best dog stroller from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Gen 7 Pete's Promenade Pet Stroller. The Gen 7 Pete's Promenade Pet Stroller is a versatile and secure solution for pet owners on the go, accommodating pets up to 50 lbs with ease. Its innovative smart canopy design allows for customizable space and visibility, while dual entries and safety tethers ensure your furry friend's comfort and security. This stroller boasts ample storage and a convenient one-button folding mechanism, making it perfect for travel. The Smart Reach handle enables comfortable walking or jogging without interference. As part of Gen 7 Pete's trusted line of pet products, the Promenade combines style, functionality, and safety to enhance your pet parenting experience. PeteMate, the parent company, offers a wide range of quality pet products across various brands, including Aspen Pet, Arm & Hammer, Buddha, and Chuck It. Number 2. Ibiaya Double Dog Stroller. The Ibiaya Double Dog Stroller is a stylish and practical solution for pet owners with multiple small dogs or cats. This four-wheel pet walking stroller features a unique double-decker design, with an upper cabin accommodating up to 6 kilograms and a lower compartment supporting up to 15 kilograms. Both levels are equipped with zippered mesh screen windows, ensuring proper ventilation and allowing you to keep a watchful eye on your furry companions. The stroller swivel front wheels provide easy maneuverability, while its lightweight yet sturdy construction and one-hand fold feature make it perfect for travel and storage. Safety is paramount with rear brakes, a comfortable interior pad, and 4 safety leashes, 2 for each level. Number 3. P-Gear No-Zip Happy Trails Light Pet Stroller. The P-Gear No-Zip Happy Trails Light Pet Stroller revolutionizes pet transportation with its innovative easy locking no-zip entry, eliminating the frustration of struggling with zippers. This thoughtfully designed stroller offers your furry companion a luxurious panoramic view through its expansive window, complemented by a versatile 3-position canopy for optimal comfort in various weather conditions. Built for smooth rides, the stroller features large 6-inch wheels that effortlessly navigate different terrains, while front shock absorbers ensure a gentle journey for your pet. With a maximum capacity of 25 pounds, it's perfect for small to medium-sized pets. Pet parents will appreciate the convenient tray and cup holders, making it easy to bring along essentials for both you and your pet during outings. Number 4. Wonderfold P2 Pete Stroller. The Wonderfold P2 Pete Stroller offers unparalleled versatility as a 3-in-1 solution, functioning as a pet stroller, travel carrier, and car seat. This innovative design allows for easy transition between modes, with a removable carrier that attaches seamlessly to car seats. Safety is paramount, with built-in interior tethers securing your pet during travel. Weighing just 16 pounds, this lightweight stroller is perfect for on-the-go pet parents, featuring a collapsible design and cross-shoulder carrying strap for effortless transportation. The stroller boasts ample storage options, including an under-basket rear storage pocket and a convenient cup holder on the handlebar. Pet comfort and accessibility are prioritized with an adjustable canopy that opens fully from both sides. The one-step brake lock ensures added safety during stops. Number 5. P-Gear No-Zip Jogger Pet Stroller. The P-Gear No-Zip Jogger Pet Stroller revolutionizes pet transportation with its innovative easy locking, no-zip entries, eliminating the hassle of traditional zippers. This versatile stroller features dual entry points, allowing your pet to enter and exit from either the front or rear without the need to turn around, enhancing comfort and convenience. The spacious protective pet compartment is perfect for accommodating larger pets or multiple smaller companions, ensuring a comfortable ride for all. Pet parents will appreciate the multi-position handle with adjustable height, allowing for customized comfort during walks or the inclusion of a parent tray and cup holder adds practicality, keeping essentials within easy reach. Whether you're embarking on a leisurely stroll through the park or maintaining your fitness routine, this stroller combines functionality, safety, and comfort for both you and your furry friend. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, Or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.